Hey guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing MSc 004, MA Economics question number 2. And before starting this question, I want to share something. We are providing all the question answers of this PDF. So if you need answers of this solution or of this PDF, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. This is a paid service. We will provide all the assignments in a PDF form in 1 minute. So you can contact us without any hesitation. And the question number second is saying they describe the Mankiw-Romer-Weil extension to the new classical model to include human capital. Explain why diminishing returns to capital do not take place in the AK model. So if you need an answer of this question, so you can contact us. So we will provide all the answers in a PDF form. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet you soon in the next video.